हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू शॉर्ट स्टडी बुक यूट्यूब चैनल। पहले वीडियो में हमने 1 to 50 सेल के इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन देखे थे। इस वीडियो में 50 से 100 तक सेल के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। तो आइए देर न करते हुए लेक्चर की ओर चलते हैं। इन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस याद करने के लिए लेक्चर को 2 से 3 बार ज़रूर देखें। Question number 51. Many small organelles are found inside the cytoplasm. These are known as dash. Answer: cytoplasmic organelles. Question number 52. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum secretes lipid along with protein constituent cell membrane by a process called dash. Answer: membrane biogenesis. Question number 53. Ribosomes are extremely small, round bodies found either in free state in the cytoplasm or attached to the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. They are composed of. Answer: ribonucleoprotein. Question number 54. In mitochondria, the outer membrane is smooth and the inner membrane is used inward, forming crest called. Answer: cristae. Number 55. In mitochondria, the crystallized in a ground substance called. Answer: matrix. Question number 56. The process of releasing energy in the form of ATP. This is why mitochondria are known as the dash. Answer: powerhouse of the cell. Question number 57. Mitochondria have their own dash and dash. Answer: DNA and ribosomes. Question number 58. Mitochondria release energy in the form of dash. Answer: ATP. Question number 59. Full form of ATP. Answer: adenosine triphosphate. Question number 60. Golgi body was first discovered by. Answer: Camillo Golgi. Question number 61. Golgi complex are formed by flattened sacs called. Answer: cisternae. Question number 62. Golgi bodies are usually called dash in plants. Answer: dictosomes. Question number 63. The set abides digestive enzymes in tiny membrane bound vessels which become dash. Answer: lysosomes. Question number 64. A plastid shows to distinct region dash and dash. Answer: grana and stoma. Question number 65. Plastids are dash of the plant. Answer: kitchen of the cell. Question number 66. Dash are colorless plastid. Answer: leucoplast. Question number 67. Which type of plastid store foods? Answer: leucoplast. Question number 68. Leucoplast store food in the form of dash, dash and dash. Answer: stretch, protein and lipids. Question number 69. Dash are green plastid. Answer: chloroplast. Question number 70. Chloroplasts are green plastic which contain dash. Answer: chlorophyll. Question number 71. Green leaves have dash. Answer: chloroplast. Question number 72. Dash are variously colored plastids present in flowers and fruits. Answer: chromoplast. Question number 73. By trapping dash energy, green plastid manufacture food through dash. Answer: solar photosynthesis. Question number 74. Dash provide color to various flowering parts. Answer: chloroplast. Question number 75. Dash helps in the storage of protein, stretch and lipids. Answer: leucoplast. Question number 76. Lysosomes act on their own cellular organelles and digest them. Hence, lysosomes are called dash. Answer: suicide bags. Question number 77. Dash work in defense against bacteria and viruses. Answer: lysosomes. Question number 78. Lysosomes are formed by dash. Answer: Golgi complex. Question number 79. The dash is a distinct region of the cytoplasm close to the nucleus of animal cells. Answer: centrosomes. Question number 80. Centrosomes have two central granules called. Answer: centrioles. Question number 81. Centrioles helps in the formation of dash and dash. Answer: cilia and flagella. Question number 82. The cytoskeleton is formed by dash and dash. Answer: microtubules and microfilaments. Question number 83. Microtubules are hollow tubules made up of proteins unit called dash. Answer: tubulin. Question number 84. Microfilaments are solid rod from a protein called dash. Answer: actin. Question number 85. Vacuoles may occupy up to dash of the cell volume. Answer: 90%. Question number 86. What is the position of nucleus in cell? Answer: center of the cell. Question number 87. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called the dash. Answer: nuclear envelope. Question number 88. Numerous pores are present in this membrane to allow the transport of materials between the dash and the dash. Answer: the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Question number 89. A colorless dense shape present inside the nuclear membrane known as dash. Answer: nuclear shape karyolymph or nucleoplasm. Question number 90. Inside the nucleoplasm is a tangled mass of thread-like structure called dash. Answer: chromatin threads. Question number 91. Chromatin or forms of an acid called dash. Answer: deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA and protein. Question number 92. When each cell starts to divide, the tangled mass of chromatin condenses into long thread and finally rod-like body is called dash. Answer: chromosomes. Question number 93. The strands of DNA are called dash. Answer genes. Question number 94. Genes are passed from parents to children through answer stoma and eggs. Question number 95. DNA is called the dash. Answer hereditary material. Question number 96. The nucleus is the storehouse of dash. Answer genes. Question number 97. Genes control the production of dash, without which there cannot be any dash. Answer enzymes and metabolic activities. Question number 98. Genes also order the cell to perform specialized functions such as answer cell division, cell secretion, communication, etc. Question number 99. Removing the nucleus from a cell means removing dash of that cell. Answer the guiding center. Question number 100. Without a nucleus, a cell can neither dash nor so dash. Answer survive and specialized activities. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई भी सवाल हो आपके मन में तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं, और ऐसे ही रिलेटेड वीडियोस पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल शॉर्ट स्टडी बुक को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि अपलोडेड वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम टू टाइम मिलती रहे। धन्यवाद।